Hello guys, it's Senpai and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how to prepare your model to actually use it in VRChat. So basically at the start you need a few things on your computer to actually make it work. First is you need to download the PMX editor so you can edit your bones, which could be actually more you will have it easy way to edit them in the Blender or another program you are using. So this is the stuff we'll be using there, and of course Blender. Another thing you need is to actually download your model. You can find it on DeviantArt or somewhere else. And when you actually have those things, you need to download the MMD tools add-on for Blender, and that could actually be it. So we can start with our model. First we need to open the PMX editor and then we need to open our model that we are going to edit. When it's imported, we need to go into edit and name repair. Then we are checking the morph and set sequence list names. We need to check all of it, then go to the Google Translate from Japanese to English, and then we just paste it. When it's translated, we just need to copy all of it and paste it here. Make sure it pasted OK, and then click repair. Same we need to do with bone, so we check it, list name, copy all of this, then just paste it here, and again copy and paste. Repair, yes, fixed. Now we need to save our file, as we can save it as the original file or actually as a new one. It doesn't really matter. When it's saved, we can close the PMX editor and we can go into Blender, get rid of the stuff we don't need, and then just go when the add-on is actually on, we just go into File, Import Miku Miku Dance Model. We need to find our file. We can change the scale for 0.08 and then just import. Okay, now we need to open this thing there and click shadeless, so the textures of our model will appear. First thing we need to do is actually to delete the joints, right click, delete hierarchy, and same stuff for rigid bones. When we do this, we need to check this restrict viewpoint visibility, so bones are visible now. Check the bones, object mode, edit mode. Next we go to this one and check X-ray, so our bones are visible right now, and we can start editing them right now. We're gonna change the names, so waist upper 2 is our chest, upper body is spine, and lower body is hips. Spine needs to be parented to hips. Okay. first we're gonna start with the legs. So as you can see, there's a lot of not necessary bones, like waist, cancel, right. We don't need that bone, so we're gonna change the name of this bone to right leg, and then we're gonna parent it to the hips. Right foot D need to be parented to right leg. Then right knee need to be parented to right knee D need to be parented to right knee. Next, right ankle D needs to be parented to right ankle. And the same stuff goes for right toe X. Right toe oh no, there's actually no right toe X D bone, so we don't need to parent that one. So basically it's gonna be like this, and our right leg is done. What is this? I don't think we need that, so now we can delete bones, and then we need to fix the left one. So again, this one is gonna be left leg and needs to be parented to hips. This one to left leg. This one to left knee. This one to left ankle, and this one I think is gonna be actually parented to left ankle too. Okay. Yeah, I can actually just do the same stuff to this one. And legs are actually done. We can delete this bone, just check it, then press delete and enter. Okay, now we go to the spine, chest, and we need to fix our arms. So first stuff is we don't really need that bone, so we can just change the name of this one to right shoulder, and then just parent it to the chest. Then this one can be deleted. Now, right arm needs to be parented to right shoulder. Elbow to the arm. Wrist to elbow. And this is basically done. This hand is done. Now we need to change the left shoulder. Parent it to the chest. Arm to shoulder. Elbow to arm. And wrist to elbow. And it's done. And basically that is all we need to actually change in our model to make it work inside of the game. There is actually no more that would be needed to This one actually can be parented to right leg as well. And this to left leg. No, okay, and it's done. We have something like this, which is kind of interesting because I don't know actually what to do with those bones. Where are the legs? So right knee, ankle, R. This is the ankle, knee, leg. There's a everything is okay here. Yeah, we could actually left it like this. Now we need to check the decimation of our model. So we go into object node again, check our model, then we go to the modifiers and then decimate. 50k, 52k, so we need to decimate our model so it's less than 20k. It can be around 20k, it can be like this, and our model is actually ready. We just need to export it as an FBX model. It can be like this, yes, it doesn't matter right now. Okay, and now we need to go to the Unity and make a folder for our model. It's gonna be named anything. Make a folder for your textures, and then we need to go to the models folder, and we need to put all of the textures inside of the folder. We actually would have checked. Yeah, there's actually another important stuff I'm gonna tell you about. No. So yeah, when you're done with this stuff, it's really important to make sure that your model is safe for work. So you basically need to delete stuff like, you know, on your model's chest or between the legs. I'm not gonna do it cause family-friendly context on the video on YouTube. So yeah, if you actually want to delete a part of the mesh, you just need to check your mesh, then go into edit mode. We're actually gonna make the bones invisible again, and then you need to check the part of the body you want to delete. It can be actually this, and you can press L. It didn't actually press the like this. Okay, and you can actually just delete it and it disappears. You can actually just use the left button, then click Ctrl and just select them like this if you want the specific part to be selected, and just click delete and enter. You can actually just press Ctrl and left mouse button to select it like this, and you select it, just enter, delete, enter, and you can delete stuff like this. Just gonna bring it back again. And yeah, when you're done with this stuff, you just need to go to the Unity when you actually import your textures. And another important thing is just to go to your desktop, or whenever you saved the model file, and then just bring it to the main model folder inside of your Unity project. We're gonna put it right there, then open Unity again. We're gonna find it right now. It's anything, and we need to make our rig humanoid. Apply. It shall be okay, but it's very important to actually check if everything is okay. So this is our model. So hips, we don't actually the one stuff when you actually have a hips bone inside your hips, you actually want to change it with groove. So just do it like this, like I did, and place it on the hips. It will prevent your hips to be broken in the game actually. So growth, spine, chest, left shoulder, arm, elbow, wrist. There's everything is okay. Seems like everything is okay right there as well. Yeah, we can just apply. And done. Now we can break our model inside of the Unity and select it. You can actually buy the dynamic bone add-on for Unity or something like this and make your model more like it will be moving, so it will be more like realistic for the game, but we are not gonna use it in this video because it will take actually too long. So next step is just to put the avatar descriptor, or you can actually change the textures of your model as well. Go into material folder, select any texture you want. It can be hair, it can be anything, and then in the shader you can actually you can actually select any shader you want. In this case I'm gonna use the cube paradox because it's like one of the best ones, but you need to actually download it to have it. You need to install it. So we're gonna use the unlit shadowed. Same goes for anything else. Wrong one. Oh yeah, it's okay. Cubed, unlit. I wonder if our Steam is actually opened. It's not. I would need to open the Steam. Okay. Basically our model is ready. So we can just go, oh wait, I didn't actually. We can change, we can left the male, you can change to female, this doesn't really matter right now. And the other thing is actually your viewpoint, that you want to place it as close to the real point of view as possible. This may be a little too close to the face. Okay, and actually everything is done. You can just go and public our model. As you can see, no errors, no nothing, just anything. We're gonna import the model inside the game and see if it actually works. Gonna open the game as well. Oh, there was an actual actualization for Hub, I see. Okay, we'll name it anything, just anything. We actually go to our world. Oh, it was so laggy. Straight to the mirror. We can actually just upload it right now. I feel like my OBS is lagging a little. Oh well, it doesn't matter right now. We need to wait for Unity to upload our model. It's gonna take a while. Okay, so our model is uploaded. Now we can see how it looks inside of the game. Just straight change to it, and as you can see, our model is working. Pretty easy. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this video will help you to actually make or import your own avatar into the game. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye bye.